यार बहुत बोर हो रही हूँ.
Go through some news feeds, you know.
Marriage is allowed or not? Okay. Wait, let me reply. Marriage is allowed. Oh my god.
What?
There are lots of questions, like repeated questions. These people
Show
are
me.
asking about cabin crew.
Oh yes.
How am I supposed to reply them all at once? They
I
are
have
all
an
similar.
idea.
What?
Let's just make a video, like another video that like we made.
Yeah, like we can do it. Like for these kind of myths, right?
Some mates and I also have some random topics that we can cover in there.
Okay, so yeah, we can do it. Oh, see, camera is already recording.
Oh my god!
Stop,
it.
stop, stop. Oh, guys, for full information, you have to watch full video. Hello everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Prachi.
I am Priya. So, like we have covered almost every topic in our last video. If you haven't seen that yet, go watch it. Link in the description. However, we are back once again to cover some myth and some random topic. So here is our first topic on which we receive a lot of questions by you all, which is how to enhance your communication skills.
Okay, so guys, we are not communication trainer, so we can only give you some suggestions or tips, we can say, from our personal experience. So first thing is you can involve yourself in English world, as in you can read English newspaper, novel and stuff like this, and you can talk to yourself in mirror in English. You can attempt some grammar exercise on Google, and you can try to talk to everyone in English only. So yeah, these things should help.
Yes, because it helped us.
Yes. So guys, moving forward to the next topic, that is what is eyesight range and is glasses are allowed or not. So guys, glasses are not allowed and
lenses are allowed. Your eyesight range is measured in diopters. So according to the requirement imposed by the most airlines, as long as your eyesight range is between plus minus 1.5D to plus minus 4D, like it varies from airlines to airlines. Like some airlines take candidates with the eyesight range of plus minus 2D, whereas some take till plus minus 4D. So you need to do some research before giving interview. Okay, so moving forward to the next question, which is elaboration of the fourth round. So explain it.
as we said in our last video that it is one-on-one interaction round with HR. So they tend to ask easy questions or can try to make a conversation with you to check your confidence level, your speaking skills, pronunciation, and just ask some simple question in
To know more about you.
Yeah, which we already
Mentioned in our
last video.
Yes.
So yeah, that's it. You just can do one thing, speak with smile, and yeah, there is nothing more to explain in this. That's it.
Yeah.
So our next question is, Priya, looks are important or not?
Okay. See guys, we cannot deny that looks not matter. However, here looks consist of clear and pimple-free skin, no scars and tattoo, and as long as you are confident, good communicator, and fitting into all the requirements that we mentioned in our last video, you can just check the link in the description. You are ready to go.
Yes.
So our fifth topic is swimming is mandatory or not?
For domestic, it's okay if you don't know the swimming, because in the safety drills they'll teach you how to take care of you and passenger if aircraft have to ditch on water.
Yes.
But in international it's compulsory and mandatory, because they ask certain requirements like speed and like this kind of things. So yeah, it is important for international airlines, and if you have time, you can learn it because it is an advantage for you only. So yeah, you can learn it, but not in the lockdown, of course. So yeah, that is, swimming is not compulsory in domestic, and it's compulsory in international.
Yes.
As simple as that. Our sixth question is, marriage is allowed or not?
Okay, see guys, as per recruitment criteria in India, you need to be unmarried at the time of selection. However, you can get married afterwards once you are in the job. Okay, only the experienced crew who are seeking for the job can be married.
Yes, and once you join, these things will get simple for you.
Yeah, you will get to know about it
More.
by the company itself. So, our seventh question is, what is the struggle of a cabin crew?
So guys, if we talk about this topic, like if we talk about our struggle, we have to kind of make a new video, a whole video on it. Even that video would not be sufficient for to describe or to explain it.
Explain
So
it all.
we try to keep it as short as we can. And the other thing is, not just our job, but no job or industry is immune to the struggle. Everyone faces struggle in one or other way. So yeah, like if we talk about example,
Yeah, there could be real emergencies on board, so we have to stay alert at all times. So recently we heard that PIA plane crashed in Karachi, killing 97 souls on board, including 8 crew, whereas total souls on board was 99.
yes, it was heartbreaking, not just for aviators but for everyone. And our life is always on stake. Except these, we have to face we have to face some other problem as well, as in partial treatment from the society. We hear that we are just flying waitress. Also, if someone got heart attack on board, only crew know how to cure or how to save them on board.
Still we hear
Still
these.
we hear these.
Also, like when COVID 19 started, we did not care about our health and we kept on working for everyone's sake. But then people started judging us by saying that we should not stay in their colony as we could spread the disease, which was so wrong. A crew shared a heartbreaking tale of harassment by the society.
You can Google it to know more, because this is what happening in our country. In addition to all these, we have to fly in different time zones. We have to stay away from our family to our base. We have to breathe in pressurized environment more than 6 hours daily. Then there are unruly passenger on board sometimes, and we have to handle them, calmly and professionally, and of course with a smile. So yeah, but coin has two sides, so does this industry.
Despite of the struggles, there is no denial for the goodness too, and we love
And respect it.
As it's a best paying industry in less qualifications and requirement, one can get to learn as well, like explore so many places, culture, and you can even keep on studying side by side if you want to. So we feel
It's the best job for extrovert. And also, believe me guys, at the end of the day or at the end of the flight, a smile and appreciation from the passenger side can
Makes
make your
your day.
whole day. Yeah, and then next day you will start it all, very freshly. And yeah, so that's it about it. These all are struggles and the good side of this job.
yes.
Finally, our eighth and the last question is, which is the most sensitive one, that women are safe in this industry or not?
Okay, so we would like to tell you all that aviation is one of the safest industry and women here are totally safe. There always been a rumor circulated stating that there are compromises, or if you are crew, you are always available for everyone,
everyone, yeah.
which is totally wrong and baseless.
Baseless.
Here's the thing, you guys. If you are right and professional, everyone and everything around you will be right and professional as well.
Yes, and once you will join this industry, you will get to know about it, that you guys don't have to believe on the rumors circulated by orthodox of the society or the people who don't have enough knowledge about it. A few days ago, we saw an interview of Priyanka Chopra. Do you remember that, Priya?
Yes, I do, which we felt and was able to relate to it. She said, no matter what you do, someone will always be unhappy. Like, always.
So guys, just cheer up and don't judge a book by its cover and do what makes you happy.
Guys, one more thing, please do not ask about training fees or security money as it varies from airlines to airlines, and also once you clear the rounds you will get notified by companies mail or HR call, so you don't have to worry about this. And also you asked us if you get paid during training or not, so yes, you'll get paid during training.
So this is all for today.
Hope we cleared your doubts.
Yes, and if this video is helpful for you,
And if you like the information that we shared,
do like
subscribe
and share.
and comment.
Thank you for showing your love, guys,
Keep on
and
supporting.
keep on asking it also. And we'll
Keep
come
on
with
loving.
yes, and we'll come with these kind of video for you all. So yeah, stay safe, stay healthy,
Stay at home.
and stay tuned.
Yes.
And
Until the
once
next
more,
time.
yes, and once more, keep loving and supporting. We love it. We need it actually, and we love it also. So
Take
bye.
care.
Bye. Take
See you
care.
all.
See you all.